I thought I would create this video to show how to replace a light bulb for the heated seat indicator. In my case, the bulb is out that illuminates with the headlights, not either of the low or high bulbs. So the first thing to do, it's a little difficult taking this apart and holding the camera, is to pry the console up. It's much easier to do it when you have two hands free. So now if this is up, I'm going to turn the car on so I can put the shifter in neutral and maybe have a little better access. And I'm going to disconnect the 3 wires and put the camera down while I do so. So now that all the wires have been removed, I'm going to take this to place. And so here's the console removed, console plate. Here's the offending side. As you can see that there's a piece of tape covering the sockets for the 3 bulbs. Sorry for having to jump around a bit. And I'm focused primarily on the bulb there under the blue socket. With the simple twist, it releases it, and then it's a matter of getting it to pop out. And although this is rather difficult to see, here is the offending bulb in all its glory. From our friends at Acura for about $6. Here's the replacement bulb, not to get them mixed up. Here's the replacement bulb, of course. So I'm going to drop that in. Hope for the best. And tighten this up. And that should do it. I'm going to put back the little protective covering over the 3 sockets. And we are ready to reinstall. That's how you replace the bulbs on the console. Now the rest is just putting the pieces back together, plugging the sockets back in, and snapping it all back together. Good luck.